If you care about having a really quality education system in Arkansas and staying competitive with other states, you have to care about tax cuts and how they impact things that affect our communities. I'm Ellie Wheeler, Senior Policy Analyst for Arkansas Advocates for Children and Families. Today I'm going to talk about why personal income tax cuts are bad for kids in Arkansas. So everyone in Arkansas who works contributes to our state revenue by paying personal income taxes to the state. When you pay your personal income taxes, some of the big programs that those taxes fund are our pre-K program and our child welfare program. So if we have significant tax cuts, that means that in the short term, some of our most vulnerable kids won't get the quality child protective services that they need. And in the long term, if we cut corners on our pre-K and our education system, that just means that our workforce is going to be less competitive in the future. The $242 million in tax cuts in Arkansas that we've seen recently just mean that it's so much harder for us to afford quality programs that help our most vulnerable kids. Right now, our caseworkers have almost double the recommended caseload. They're at 29 when they should be at 15. And that just means that the kids that they serve aren't getting the quality protection that they need. Other programs that we could have invested in instead of making these really generous tax cuts are after school and summer programs, improvements to the juvenile justice system that allow for more community-based alternatives, and paid leave for new parents. The bottom line is our tax structure in Arkansas and how we spend that tax revenue is a moral issue. And when we have such high levels of poverty, especially child poverty, we really need to look closely at the choices that we make and make sure that we're keeping low-income kids and families a top priority. If you want to learn more about tax cuts and how programs for kids in Arkansas are changing, check out our website at aradvocates.org.